story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear. A good deal. Features also include parking assist system, remote start, leather seats, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, take a ride in the 2018 Suburban. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, power lift gate, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, rear AC, HD radio, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, premium sound system, steering wheel audio controls, adjustable pedals. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.